So today we're gonna learn how to do a lead generation, find the prospect, do the outreach with Manus AI. And to be honest, it was my first time actually doing it and using it, and I'm completely super happy with it. I'm gonna show you if you just want to learn how to do it now in simple step, the video. But if you want to see the whole process of how I face myself, sometimes what the fuck, what is this? You can just check it. Hey, so I'm Steffi and this is Girl Learn AI. So let's go for it. Okay, the first thing that I did, it was to create my account. So I sign up with my email and then I arrive here to the dashboard. When you have a free account, you have here in the right, you can see the credits you have. You have normally 1,500 credits, and after you go to 300 credits per day. But to be honest, it's very low, 300 credits. It cannot even complete one task. So in that case, it's better to pay the subscription or use Claude Cowork if you're already having Claude, right? So here you can make the prompt, add files, connect to your tools, find the agent, schedule, etc. Okay, the first thing I did, because I wanted to optimize my credits, is to go to Claude to ask for a prompt. And the goal of this prompt, it was to have a table form on PDF that have all my ICP criteria on categories, like business name, email, they have a website or not, the strain, and the weaknesses. So for the moment Claude was doing this, the second step that I did, it was to go to Manus AI and you see here, to connect to my Gmail and my Instagram, because those are going to be the channels that I'm going to contact those businesses, right? So you're just going to click Gmail and then it's going to do it automatically and everything perfectly. After Claude finished, I just went to Claude and I pasted you see here, and Claude did his work, and it took around 20 minutes to find all the businesses, to make all the lists and give me the table form. The fourth step that I did is actually you're gonna check what you have. For example, here I see the B2B prospect list that I only asked for French people. So you see the sector, the business name, city, email. And something that I was doing and learning is that here, for example, you see that email, there's a lot of not found. In this case, also have in consideration to add in your prompt the risk of something not happening. It means, in the risk that you don't find an email, do the following step. You see? So that's why you can have, not like me that in this case is not found. Anyway, the websites, Instagram, YouTube or social, the social strain, weaknesses, and last activity. That was my categories. Then I was okay, still pretty good. I'm gonna work with this. Then the other step that I went is now to go to Claude and ask for two different prompts. One prompt about the messaging that, okay, now I'm gonna have this list, but now I want that for each weaknesses and strain, you personalize a message for this company. And since I also did this prompt on the same chat of Claude, he understood the context, right? And the second prompt, it was about to actually, okay, that's for the message, but now I need this prompt to also give to Manus AI to give the instruction that I want that the businesses that have the email, contact by email. The businesses that don't have email, because there was a lot of not, contact them by social media. That's why we need to connect Gmail and Instagram. After that, I just paid to Manus AI chat, and after you're gonna have this result, because my instruction was that I didn't want that he send them directly. I wanted to check first how's the message, if I like the tone, if it's correct or not. And it's very good that you read the results, not just believe that AI is going to do everything for you and that's done, because you need a lot of verification. You can also create an agent that verifies everything, but it's good to give a context. Otherwise, just add documents of your own style of writing. I don't know. In this case, I didn't have, so I have just to check in myself, and I say to keep all of them on my Google, on my Gmail draft, here. And the next step is just you're gonna read this, you're gonna like it or not, and then you modify. In this case, I was okay, just keep it on save draft, and I'm gonna do it. And that was basically after I just went to my emails in this case, and I went to check if they were all there. They were all there, and it's perfect, because then I just check the little details, but all the weaknesses or the strain, I verified that myself. I just went to profile and see it, and everything was perfectly correct. They have a website, but the website was so bad, or their Instagram is very low following, no engagement, and everything make current sense. But I have to modify the tone of the email, because I didn't put that on my prompt, so keep that on mind. But otherwise, It's that simple. Just play and try it, and always try to optimize with your prompt thanks to an AI. Don't write your own prompt because you're always gonna miss stuff, always gonna be explained in some way that you're not gonna have the result that you want. But if you wanna see how I did it, this is the following. I'm using Manus AI. From what do I know and I reach is like more agent focus, like type of cloud code co-work, but even more focused and to be autonomous more than, the typical chat and talk that Claude has. So here we have the prompting, here to add files, to connect our apps, like basically all the options that all the AI assistant has. Okay, so to be smart, and since I'm on a free plan, I'm just gonna go, like always, to Claude and to ask to actually make me the prompt for Manus AI to do like what we want. So have the prospect list and do the outreach. So in the prospect list, I'm just gonna ask first with all the criteria of my ICP that from the business that I want to do. And then we're gonna make for the outreach, like all the message and criteria that message has to include. So let's go. Okay, we have our prompt down. Very nice. Like use whisper flow. Really is gonna optimize, just you press a button and you can just dictate with your voice and it's gonna write everything so much more easier. Okay, now Claude gave us the prompt. We're just gonna copy and then I'm gonna give this to Manus as an instruction. I told them that I want to be, all the ICP criteria that I gave and to be on a table form. Okay, it's pretty nice. I love how he's like saying like the steps with how many seconds it's taking. So pretty cool. And we have the results. So let's see. He creates the PDF just right here. Very nice. I just give like the criteria. So let's see, business name, city, email. There's a lot of not found, so probably next time, like that's a cool thing when you're creating your prompt, you see a result, and then you understand like the risk of something happening and how to put it and add it to your prompt. So in the risk of not having an email, like what's the option of doing here? So probably next time explain that. If they have a website, yes or no. Then Instagram, YouTube, other social medias. And then I asked like for the strength and the weaknesses. So strength, good visual, a lot of repeating, good visual, basic presence, okay. Social weakness, no website. Here, he didn't do anything. I don't know why, if they have a website plus they have social media. And then we have the last active frequency they have been posting, so probably May for all of them, so they're very like fresh. Okay, very nice. So one idea to keep in mind is to put like in the prompt in the risk of something not happening, so next time we don't have those issues. But otherwise pretty nice. They even like put follow-ups to suggest. Okay, so the next step that I was doing after that is actually sending Claude to create me a prompt now for the outreach, because now we want to contact those lists of prospects, right? So I give the prompt to them. So we have the template A, and template B if they have a social week, Interesting. This is part of your Manus prompt. Is so aggressive finishes, add on personal outreach per prospect, Very nice. Okay, we're gonna give this to Manus. So we're gonna copy the first template, because since we have two type of kind of prospect but in two categories, so we have this one, then we're gonna go to the other one that is like the first category. They don't have a website but they have social media and weaknesses, or the second one, they have a website but they still like very weak on social media. So that's the first one, and then the whole script there, I think is that. But just to be sure now, I'm just gonna read, because sometimes when I just copy paste but I don't read the prompt, there's like details that I like to think about it. Okay, so I finished to read actually, the prompt, and that's why sometimes we don't have the result we want because we don't take the time to actually read what we're asking for. For example, even here the message that he quote automated, it was incorrect because it was saying like I'm giving this for free. And then like the simple step of saying like have a good day and your name, I think it's always better than just have nothing like that. Um, yeah, and the idea of that is that now that we have the prompt of the message, we need to make a prompt to ask Manus that we want to outreach them with our email. So that will be the first part of the prompt because this is only for the messaging. And the second part is going to be to actually connect to our social media like Instagram to then contact by DM or Facebook. So thanks Manus, it's Meta. I think that will be so much easier to actually connect AI with it. So now we're going to ask again Claude to make this prompt for it. Okay, we create a prompt where I say like, if they have the email, as we saw on the list, then send the email. If they're like segment A or segment B, and if they don't have the email that we also saw on the prospect list, then connect to my Instagram and send the message. Now Claude is going to create this prompt. We're going to add it to this because we have to remember that if we're like in this free plan, we have like limited credit, so I don't want to waste it useless in Manus without having a result. So now while he's doing this, I'm going to go in Manus and we're going to connect with our Gmail and our social medias. So here we have connect apps. You see we have Gmail. We're going to click it. We're going to connect it. Okay, we're connected to our Gmail. Now we're going to connect our Instagram. And we're connected. Pretty nice. Okay, so now we're connected to our Gmail and our Instagram. We're going to just refresh the page. We see that we're connected here, that we still have 829. Let's see how much it's going to take once we put this. Here we have our prompt for the messaging. Here we're going to close that one. And now we're going to go to Claude to see the prompt if it's done. Okay, perfect. Oh, okay, there's a limitation on prompting. That's very interesting. So let's see how we can optimize this with Claude giving all this. Bam. And given to Claude and says that we wanted that it makes 3,000 characters. Okay, so now we have the full prompt normally in 3,000 characters. I'm gonna delete this, paste this, and we're gonna read perfectly. Okay, so mission. Okay, I read the prompt. It's pretty good, I will say. It have everything that basically I always wanted to say. Maybe I will just edit like the object of the line that I really don't like it. Okay, now I'm gonna change like this. Pretty good. I think the only thing I'm gonna also change is that he left like on draft session, and then I can just see it, Okay, I think we're very good. I'm gonna just then go press. Very curious, and let's see if for free we can make this lead generation, which will be crazy if it does, because it's like hours saved and not like so much time wasting on this. Pretty interesting. I'm curious to see how it's gonna work, how many credits it's gonna use, and let's wait. I think it's gonna take like 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna go out. Oh my god, there are all them. It's just click and send. Insane! This is so good. Like Manus, literally very nice. The only thing I'm a little bit sad is that Instagram verification was like not allowing, but it's so stupid because Instagram and Manus are from Meta. But anyway, I'm very happy. I'm very content with this. I'm gonna check like all the draft and send them, and let's see what happens. But pretty cool. Like it just did like 40 prospect, but nice.